You know the feeling when you already know the answer, but you ask 5 other people the question anyway? That's not indecision. That's a self-trust problem. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can start rebuilding self-trust within yourself. The first thing is connect to your intuition. Intuition is that little voice inside of ourselves, often can be represented by our gut feelings that knows deep somewhere inside that just knows the answer to our questions. And oftentimes we do override our gut feelings because we listen to the logic. We are taught to be logical, be rational, and not let our emotions take over us. But really is important to pay attention because our nervous system usually will give us clues. It will pick up on things that our mind don't necessarily understand or comprehend. When our body is telling us something, but our mind is telling something different, it's time to pay attention. So paying attention to our gut feelings and connecting to our intuition is an important part of rebuilding that self-trust. Stop and take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is my intuition trying to tell me right now? What does my intuition tell me the answer to this question is? Next, we can practice self-compassion over self-criticism. If you find yourself with any harsh talk, harsh words toward yourself, calling yourself a name, or I can't believe I did that, saying things in a negative way toward yourself, then it's important to take note of that and turn that around to self-compassion, because harsh self-talk can train us to shrink and hide and not take any chances. Having that self-compassion helps you grow, and it doesn't bypass accountability. So learn to treat yourself as if you were believing in somebody else with genuine warmth and good feelings and positivity, like you're rooting for someone. If you're rooting for a friend and you believe in them, treat yourself that same way. Have that self-love and self-compassion to root for yourself, to believe in yourself, and say those things to yourself. The next thing we can do is regulate our nervous system. It's no secret that stress can put you in survival mode, where every decision feels like a threat. A lot of things can come at you and it can dysregulate your nervous system. But when we can take the time for coherence, where we know that our heart and our mind and our body are all working together, that creates a synergy of this beautiful coherence where it makes us easier to make the right decisions and trust ourselves. So try this little exercise. If you want to get into that coherence with your heart and your mind and your body, then we're going to relax our nervous system and tap into our heart and relax our mind. So put your hand on your heart. And what we want to do is build up the energy in our heart, that love energy, and help it overflow within us. So this just takes a few minutes. If we want to close our eyes and relax your shoulders, take 5 deep breaths in and 5 deep breaths out. And we just want to have some quiet stillness to tap into the energy of our heart, to quiet our mind and relax our body. And you can feel the warmth with the hand on your chest. That warmth is bringing through all that love energy. So just sit with that and feel that energy moving in your heart. It's like bubbling up and overflowing out of your heart into your body. This beautiful, genuine warmth of energy. It's soft. and it's gently rolling out and spreading throughout your body. It's a beautiful love. When we are our own fountain of love and we can access this energy at any time, it lives within us. So continue to let that flow through your body. And when you feel relaxed and ready, you can let go or keep your hand on your heart and open your eyes and really tune into how you feel. Do you feel like your body's relaxed enough? Do you feel like your mind is quieted down? And do you feel the energy in your heart? When we get to regulate our nervous system and we can come to this place of coherence, we are able to start to connect to our intuition better and make decisions from this place. So try this out and let me know if this was helping you make a decision within yourself easier. So in addition to the coherence, it's important to also live your truth. And living your truth means we need to be in alignment with what we feel and what we say and what we do. They all need to be in alignment. So we need to live that truth and catch yourself when you're saying negative things, when you're going against yourself or don't trust yourself or I made a terrible mistake. Then we need to pay attention to that and live the truth of who we are and turn that and reframe that to I'm learning, I'm trusting myself, I believe in myself. Reframing to that to more positive affirmations and catching ourselves so that we can continue to stay in alignment and that takes hold of you, that all those things, when we live in that truth, that's who we become and that's who we are. That coherence, that practice, that all of those things in sync together brings us to this place within ourselves that makes us stronger. And that's who we become, stronger. And then that's who we are. We built that self-trust that we are strong in who we are. So when we can combine this compassion, coherence, honesty, living our truth, intuition, we start to build the internal safety. Internal safety is what we need to move forward and no longer seeking outside of us for validation from others. When we do seek outside of us ourselves for validation, it gives our power away. So practicing all these things helps build that internal safety within us. From this place of internal safety, it builds confidence that is embodied and it's not performed. So just to wrap up, self-trust is built with all these small little moments that we can do within ourselves on a regular basis. It's not a big performance. It's nothing huge. It's all of these little things in combination that help us build our self-trust within us and embody that self-trust. It's a practice, and the more that you do it, the stronger that you get. So thank you so much for being here, and share this with someone else that you may think need it. Have a great day.